Okay, I think we're actually going to be doing our first boot. I hope. I really hope it's taken long enough. Like I've been here for more than an hour now. Starting up OS 2. Am I going to hear that glorious startup sound? I sure hope I am. But I have a feeling it's probably going to try and install more stuff. Oh my god. This installation process is so long. Now, to be fair, OS 2 is way more robust than Windows, so it is going to take longer. Oh yeah. What? No! Is that the fucking dude with the fucking sound card? Oh, it better not fucking prohibit it from working. I swear. Oh no! God damn it! Oh my god, if I don't hear the startup sound, I'm gonna fucking cry. And then it's gonna look for DHCP, which that's gonna take forever. So that's kind of funny. It detects a thing, and it's like, oh no, it can't install, by the way. By the way, OS2 Kohai, fuck you. You gonna fucking cry. Oh my god. Please. I want to hear that startup sound. Please. Please. If I don't, I'm gonna be sad. Here we go. First boot. Come on, startup sound, please. Oh god, we're still in the installation process. Oh my god. It's taking fucking forever. Jesus fucking Christ. Well, we'll cut back when it actually fucking installs. Oh, here we go. I think this is the last reboot. And then finally we can go to the desktop. Will I hear that nice startup sound? I sure hope. I really hope. But I don't think so. Because errors. Because this stuff's happening. And that makes me upset. How could such a thing happen? I mean, I'm more surprised than anything that I actually detected something. And it's just not so surprising that it doesn't work. But then again, it kind of is at the same time. You know, if I see something up there for supported hardware, I expect it to fucking work. I hope. And this installation process has been taking a long time. And if one of the drivers corrupts the installation, well, that's gonna be fun. That's gonna suck, because I gotta reinstall this crap. And that's gonna take a long time. So we got this going. It's got an error for that. Multimedia OS 2. That's not good. Imagine if it just prohibits the MIDI from working. That would be the ultimate slap in the face for me. I'd rather nothing work than just like the MIDI not working. And this first boot's get... Okay. Gonna get to the desktop. Yes. I want to hear a sound. Come on. You can do it. Oh, it's not gonna happen. Like, who am I kidding? Like, if there's errors, it's not gonna happen. Oh my god. Ooh, move the mouse around. It seems like my laundry's finally done. Well, that's good. Yeah, no startup sound. That sucks. That really sucks, actually. Great. But here we are, and it looks so sad. It really does. No drivers. So that's fun. Oh, goodness me. Spin. I'm gonna check if my existing floppy disks for the 380E will work on this ThinkPad. They might actually work, and I might have to save myself a lot of trouble if they work. Alright, I found out some really good news. I found out that the 380E and the 380ED both share the same video driver and sound driver. So, I already got the drivers for it. Yes, and it should work. I don't see why it wouldn't work. So, let's do this. Close, please. Maybe I'll only have to restart once. So first we'll do the video driver. Alright, now what do I gotta do? It should just be I open up the OS2 prompt. No, go to the A drive. Yes, and then I should just type in setup and it should just work. What? What is this? Did I take out the CD, by the way? I did. What is this crap? Oh my god. Oh, okay. I see what it's saying. Setup. See? I should create a directory or something. There we go. Yes. Okay. Wait. This doesn't seem right. Shouldn't this be like the Neo Magic thing? Yeah, here we go. That's what I want to install. I was just like, what the hell? Regular ass VGA? No! How dare you think that I want to do that? $16. Get the fuck out of here. That was weird. And now, hopefully we should have, I think it's 24-bit color is the maximum we can have for this. That's pretty damn good, all things considered. Alright, it's going, and we can go to native resolution and be all happy. Yes. And then, I need my motherfucking MIDI. My MIDI's so fucking important. Oh! And then maybe I can finally end off this video, because I'm not going to show you the other shit, because that doesn't really matter. Okay. Oh, is it just going to restart on its fucking own? Better not. Okay, and I bumped the box. Oops. Okay, it's not going to restart on its own. Good. We'll take our second one, and this one should be a lot easier, actually. Alright, so then we can go to our prompts again. OS2, just type in install. Yes. And then we can go to the A drive. There we go. Yes, looking good. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's what I like to see. It's what I really like to see. Drivers getting installed. Fuck yes. And now, when we boot in, I'm gonna see nice native resolution. I'm going to see, well, I'm gonna hear the startup sound, and then I'm gonna play some MIDI. Oh man, and then we can play some games, and it's gonna have the music, and it's gonna be so good. Oh yes. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yes. And now, do a Control-Alt-Delete. And prepare for the ultimate OS2 experience on a laptop. Oh yeah. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. Oh, this is truly a thing of dreams. Today, I've finally done it. I've been wanting this experience for 3 years now, and it's just because there's a floppy in there, no big deal. This boot menu, I mean, I'll keep it. It's kind of cool, actually. I'll keep that, you know? Oh, here we go. I'm going to put FN F8 so you can actually see that it is going to be in native resolution. Oh, yes, yes. And I'm going to go, Kia, Kia. All right, it's time. Time for the moment of truth. Nothing's going to die, is it? Nothing's going to die, I hope. Worst case scenario, I might have to uninstall that fucking Sound Blaster driver. Okay. That's fine, that was there before. I don't know why I would mistake it as a Sound Blaster driver. And that's okay. I'll have to just edit those lines out later. Come on. Now it's time for the moment of truth. The moment of truth. What I've been waiting for all this time. Come on. Come on. You can do it. This will be the biggest achievement of my adventures with OS2. This works. Oh, native resolution. Yes. And I'm gonna hear that sound. Am I? Please? Onegashimasu. There's still time for it to come in. There's still time. Please? Oh no. Okay, so look at that, guys. Look at that. Yes. Yes. That is a thing of beauty. Native resolution. Oh yeah. Alright. It's really not gonna make any sounds? No, it's not. It's kind of speedy, actually. Alright, that's no huge deal. I should know what to do. Okay, so if I go to, where do they put it? It should be not multimedia setup, but hardware manager, install, remove. It's one of these two. Let's check it out. Nope, not in here. Hardware manager. No. God's sake, where is it? System, this is the one. No, it's not. Where the fuck did they put it? God's sake. It's the one where you open up a window, it looks exactly like the installation thing. Programs? Utilities? No, it's not in there. Oh my god. Well, I found it. It had to look fucking hard enough. So, hopefully I can click on this and just remove that, do OK, and then it should just remove it. Good. It's fucking hard to find. You have to go through the menu and do a selective install. Let's do next. Okay, I've returned. I don't know what this means. Select source drive. Oh, wait, is it looking for the disk? Is that what it's looking for? So I can uninstall that. I'm just uninstalling shit, though. Okay, I mean, I'll put it in. Yeah. Oh, fuck you. What's going on here? I'm just uninstalling stuff, but it's doing this instead. So lesson learned, whenever you're installing one of these things, if it says Sound Blaster on a 380, don't believe it, because it's not true. Yeah. I mean, now that I look on the list of specs for sound cards, let me see. None of them have a Sound Blaster. They're all crystal audio, so that's good to know. This apparently is not going to take that long, and hopefully what will probably happen is I'll have to reinstall the crystal audio drivers. That's no big deal. And then finally I can listen to this nice MIDI. I can finally do that. Please. Oh god. Apparently it removed it, so yeah, we'll restart, I guess. Do that again. Was that I had to restart? It's not going to do it for me. I got to do that myself. Control delete. And hopefully, since that it removed the Sound Blaster stuff, the crystal audio thing should override that, theoretically. And now I should be able to hear some sound. Is that gonna happen? Maybe. I hope. It would be nice. But then again, if I have to reinstall this driver, then that's no big deal. But if it doesn't work, then we got a bigger problem on our hands, because this is apparently the right driver. And I don't want to go through the pain I went through with the 380E, having to go to ancient FTP sites. I don't want to do that. Especially not today. But I think worst case scenario, I just have to reinstall the driver. That's all I have to do. Like it has to work. It just has to. Oh no. So now, no more Sound Blaster errors. That's good to see. No more errors. That makes me happy. Fuck errors. This thing is flawless. Absolutely flawless now. We got a Thinkpad with a high performance file system, because my 380E has fat. Fat is not good. What is this? Did it not fucking update the thing on this sys file? I told it to fucking remove it. Like, did it not update the fucking sys? Fuck's sake, man. These are the same fucking errors. Will I have to go there myself and fucking get rid of those lines? Line 96, line 137? I guess I'll have to. I think I'm going to do that first, actually, so it just doesn't want to do it ever again. I'll just delete everything involving the Sound Blaster card. And I'm not going to hear anything in startup. I told it to fucking remove it. And again, it doesn't want to do it. So odd. And I'm gonna, once this boots in, I'm gonna show everyone the menu that I actually had to go to get to that point. So no startup sound yet again. God damn it, if only I knew. Hindsight's everything. I should have known. I should have known better. But I was just like, oh, it detected something. And I was so excited. But this is the thing that's biting me in the ass now. Isn't that so ironic? So to get to that menu, you have to click on the menu button, go to OS2 system, then you go to system setup, then you go to install remove. It's pretty far you had to go into this. And then you gotta do its selective install. That's where you gotta go. Pretty sure it was. Was it? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I see now. Let's go into the uninstall. Yeah, I got an idea. It should be a magnificent idea. Because then I can uninstall it because I went into the install thing. That's not going to work. Oh, no. This doesn't want... God damn it. Never mind. Alright. It's time to go in the sys file. And I'm going to edit my fucking self. Where is it? So I've had enough. Where is it? Config.sys. It's gotta be in here somewhere. Does it go from alphabetical order from bottom to top? What the heck? Config.sys. Well, I'll find it and then I'll change it. So this is the original window actually that I used to try and uninstall it. And it doesn't like to listen to me, that's for sure. Because that's awesome. I literally went in and put none to fucking get rid of it. Why does it not? Like, I literally clicked remove. Like, fucking listen to me, you fucking piece of shit. But that makes me think. Since I did the... Oh, why isn't there an option for me to put my own fucking floppy disk in? Like, there's no way just to add none? No? Just gotta look through carefully. I guess there isn't. Anyway. That's fine. Doesn't want to listen. Ugh. Can I please just get out of here? Please? Alright. We're gonna do this the hard way. Yeah. We gotta look for the line that states SBPD2. So I'll do a search. Find SBP2. What? What do you mean? No, don't make it case sensitive. Alright, that's one of them. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Any more? That should be it. For that one, then SB odd. Alright, so that's pretty good. One final check, just type it all in exactly. SP2 D2.sys. Find that, okay. Save. Overwrite it, yep. Now, the sys file will not look for those things. Yes, save. Now when I reboot, I may have to reinstall the Crystal Audio thing, but it's not going to look for the Sound Blaster thing anymore. That doesn't exist. So theoretically, I may have to reinstall the sound driver, as I already said. But it should work now. I hope. I really, really hope. This boot menu is actually kind of annoying. Ugh. Please work. Please do it. Imagine if it just dies. Just anything but that. you know, at this point. I mean, if I had to reinstall it now, I know exactly what to do. You know, it's all trial and error. But I don't want to do that because I'd have to do that next year. And, you know, time's kind of running down. Come on. Okay. Here we go. Oh, the CD's still in there. Oh, God. Hear it spinning up. No. Okay, this line's kind of moving down the screen. What's going on here? Okay, now let's move back up. Is that bad? I guess not. Am I gonna hear anything? Please. Oh, God. No! Doesn't work. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Okay, we're reinstalling this thing right now. Right fucking now. I can't stand it. Okay. There's no reason why it shouldn't work now. And if it doesn't, then I'm gonna be really confused then. That means I'm gonna have to reinstall just for the fucking sound driver. You fucking shitting me. This hopefully should be the last time I do this. Please. I hope to Kami-sama himself that this should work. Like, we're gonna get MIDI out of it. Look, it says MIDI. This is the right driver. It should work with this Thinkpad. So it's gonna write it to the sys file. Okay. Alright, it's time. It's time. Time for the heart to beat faster. Because, oh man. All right, now it's time. Now it's time. No errors, please. Oh my God, my heart's like, I'm nervous. I'm legitimately nervous to see if this works. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, please. Please. I want to hear that sound more than anything. Come on. There's no reason it shouldn't work. There's no reason now. Please. You can do it. Come on. Oh my God, this is killing me. No. I don't hear any sound. Fuck! What the fuck, man? Are you fucking serious? Still nothing. This is bullshit. It's the right driver. It's because of that fucking Sound Blaster 16. For fuck's sake. Fucking ruined everything. I got no other option. I gotta fucking reinstall because of this fucking bullshit. What a fucking piece of shit. Fuck that shit, man. Fuck that fucking shit. All because it fucking assumed, oh, I have a Sound Blaster 16 card. Like, how am I supposed to fucking know that's gonna fucking just be the deciding factor for all that shit? You know? God damn, man. Are you fucking kidding me? If I open this up and it still says Sound Blaster 16, I'm gonna lose my fucking shit. It still fucking says Sound Blaster 16. I don't fucking have one. I fucking said, don't, oh my fucking god. Like, how do I put none? Like, I don't fucking have this. Just fuck off. Like, why isn't there an option for just no fucking card? Why isn't there an option to say, like, hey, you know, select this fucking crystal audio thing? God damn it. Is that the one? I gotta double check on what the driver is actually called now, because this is fucking bullshit. Like, I don't fucking have a Sound Blaster. Oh, this is what's killing me right now, because I know it's gonna work, and I know if I didn't fucking select that sound, if I would have just left as nothing. But then again, I don't know if there was an option. Why isn't there an option for just nothing? Why can't I remove it? Alright, gonna check this README on the floppy disk right now. What it's actually called. It doesn't really have a freaking name for itself. God's sake. Oh no. That's the bad part now. Like, I don't know what I can do. I really don't. Because it's going to keep on detecting that over and over and over again. I won't be able to remove it. And it doesn't let me go. It just keeps on fucking... keeps on just detecting this thing. Which I don't want. I just wish it would listen to me. Like, why doesn't it just fucking listen? Like, I want it to be none. How hard is that to fucking understand? It keeps on trying to fucking detect it again. If I go back, okay. Why does it kind of like gray these out? Doesn't make much sense to me. Okay, there's got to be a different way to do this, because this is just going to do the same shit again and again and again and again and again. There's got to be a different way. Okay. I'd like to think it's somewhere in here. If I just look at the multimedia thing, really dig more into this. I wonder if I open up a multimedia program, would something even work? Like, let's say I open up a MIDI. Well, the thing with OS2 is that you don't, even if you double click on this, it doesn't open a player, it just plays the sound. So, God, I'm going to have to do some surfing around to really fix this thing. Oh my God. All right, so I did one thing. I went into the multimedia OS2 folder and deleted some files that were relating to Sound Blaster. So I doubt that's really going to change anything, but it's worth a try. And hopefully everything relating to Sound Blaster will be removed, because it's all gone from the sys file, and the crystal audio things should be in the sys file. And I deleted all remnants of the Sound Blaster thing from the multimedia OS2 folder, so I don't see why it would assume now. It's a difficult one, actually. It's really difficult because normally when you install sound driver and it's incompatible, which this one should be compatible, it should just work. I've never seen this before where it just that's what I think right now, where it's just kind of assuming it's a Sound Blaster card in there, so that's why it's like not working. Now let's see what happens. Imagine if it's something really stupid, like sounds aren't enabled or something weird like that. It should be. I'm thinking by now the start sound should have played, so again, I don't like this. Yeah, fuck's sake. This is proving to be really difficult just to get the sound working on this. I'm gonna have to check through that config.sys file again to really dig in there to see like what is going on. Okay, this might be the last time I try to do this because I just reinstalled the drivers again. I looked through the config.sys file. The crystal audio files are mentioned in that file. There's no evidence of any Sound Blaster being on here anymore. I don't see how this will not work. Okay? What I'll probably have to do, if this doesn't work, I'll just have to reinstall or something, or I'll have to find a different driver. I don't know how it's not working, because this driver should work. Seems a little crazy to me. So I might have to find something else, who knows. Should have heard a sound by now. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is craziness. Absolute craziness. Like, it's not turned up all the way. Turn up louder. No, nothing. Oh. It's crazy. That sucks. That really sucks. God's sake. I'll have to fucking reinstall. Oh no. Oh no. I don't want to do that. Anything but that. God's sake, here I was so excited too. Fuck. Well, that's a lesson learned. Don't trust it. Okay, this is gonna be the last time I do this before I reinstall. What I did this time is I went to the selective install, removed the Sound Blaster again, but then switched it over to a Crystal audio card. Now, it's not the same Crystal audio card that's in here, but what I did was I put it with no support at all, so hopefully it just would install anything. Alright? So I hope that it goes on with no sound support at all, and then after that I reinstalled the Crystal Audio driver floppy. So hopefully that should resolve all my problems. And if it doesn't, I'll have to reinstall, make sure that that Sound Blaster thing does not install, and then I should be good. So I'm hoping that this time maybe it will work, because I really don't want to reinstall. It takes a long time. Well, this boot's taking a while. I don't have much hope that I'll actually hear some sounds. But who knows? Who knows what can come of it? Alright, here we go. And nothing. Absolutely nothing. Shit. Well, it's time to reinstall the operating system. I gotta go through that all again, which is no big deal. I know what to do now, but it just sucks at the same time that I've gotten so close, yet so far at the same time. And Yeah, no sound. That is so awesome. Fuck's sake. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O, we're at that point again. So, click on none, remove, do okay, and that should fix most of our problems, actually. For those of you who have installed OS 2, sometimes it tells you, you know, when you install this driver, make sure when you're going through the installation process of the operating system, make sure some things are selected on none. Seems kind of counterintuitive, but hey, hopefully this time things will work. I'm going to install that crap later. I don't really care about that right now. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm installing that fucking sound driver first. God. Alright. I was just packing for my little trip. And now we're here. Gonna bring Doki Doki Literature Club on the plane, as well as Breath of the Wild. Gonna have a pretty good time, all things considered. At least for the plane ride. But in the sound, should work. So, I'm gonna go to... But what if it doesn't work? That's my big fear. What if it doesn't work? I mean, I've had this happen before, where drivers that supposedly worked don't work. Now, there's no sound blast or anything this time, so should work. I'll make sure the volume thing's up all the way, and it is. Let's put it on 4 for now. Alright. It's a little tense moment right now, not gonna lie, because I want this to work so badly. It makes me think about something, actually. Because I'm using the high performance file system, will that affect compatibility with DOS games? Huh. That actually makes me think. Because on the 380E, I mean, it doesn't make any sense, though. I mean, the 380E still runs... No, I mean, I'm thinking of the 755C, which I think I put the high performance file system in. It still plays DOS games, so... I don't know, I'm just thinking of every single type of variable right now. I'll just restart. Every variable, because the T23 and the T43, I put the high performance file system, and the sound works, but the MIDI doesn't work. But that's because MIDI with OS 2 is kind of like, you know, the OPL thing. It's old. But, oh my god, I'm thinking it's just so many different variables. Is that why it doesn't work? Should I try a FAT installation to see if it works? That wouldn't make any sense, though, because it's just a different file system, that's all. Oh, fuck you. And of course, the video driver worked. I'm just overthinking things. I'm just thinking, like, you know, because I have a 380E where the sound does work. I mean, this should work, right? I don't think it's going to work. I really don't. I'm very doubtful, you know? Huh. But if it does... I'll be happy. I gotta leave in an hour, so that's fun. So I'll have to think about it for 3 weeks. 3 whole weeks. Oh my god. I swear, if there's any screaming children on my flight, ugh, that's gonna be fun. Tanoshimi. Tanoshimi da yo. Okay. The moment of truth, the moment of it's gonna be quiet. There's no way. There's no fucking way. Come on. Please. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, I knew it. It was the fucking Sound Blaster thing that fucked shit up and had to reinstall. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, God's sake. Hell yeah. That's satisfying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Alright. Let's do a little showcase of some forgotten MIDIs from OS 2. Oh, it's so loud. It's so good. Oh my god. It feels so good. Yes. Okay. Will the MIDI work? Let's do Fall for You. Come on. Come on. It's gotta work. Come on. Yeah! Yeah, we got MIDI. We got MIDI. Okay, this song's really boring. Something interesting, come on. Doesn't Fantasia have a MIDI? Yeah. Well, I got what I wanted. And I'm gonna have fun listening to these MIDIs. Oh, and I can install Doom, and I'm gonna try and install some like PC 98 games I could port it over to DOS. Oh yeah. That annoys a lot of people, but for me, I fucking love it.